Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you our new recipes. Before we start, if you want the details how to make any recipe, check the description below. Let's start.
Recipe 1. Grilled chicken salad with seasonal fruit. This is a great salad. I cut the oil in half to reduce calories and fat. My husband agreed that this was the kind of salad we usually only get in restaurants. Recipe 2. Lucky's Quickie Chickie. This raises the bar on a simple to make chicken dinner. I followed the recipe exactly, including fresh basil, which was so terrific in this dish with the honey and balsamic. 5 stars for a simple and flavorful dish you can whip up in no time. Recipe 3. Lemon herb chicken with couscous and cucumber salad. This was a winner. I loved all the flavors and how it came together. Using thin sliced chicken breasts worked perfect. I'd make this again for dinner, work lunches. Recipe 4. Chicken marsala. I found this recipe to be the best chicken marsala recipe I've used. It was quick and easy. I served it over rice along with sautéed green string beans. It won everyone over. This is definitely going to become a regular dinner item at my house. Recipe 5. Dijon tarragon cream chicken. My family, including my 3-year-old, loved this. It was quick and easy. The chicken was juicy, and my husband loved the sauce so much that he poured it over everything he ate.